YouTube. This is Mark Woods with another video. And as y'all see this little bitty package right here, you know, a lot of people be like, man, what is it, man? What is it? Because it's so little and stuff. And I mean, but it's something that might can change this channel. You know, that might can make this channel, you know, go to the next level. So, you know, let's go ahead and check it out, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and jake it. You know what I'm saying? And we can do it like that. Alright. Just holding it. I'm holding the camera while all this is getting done. Look at that plastic. Alright. Just doing it one hand because it's so small. See, they wrapped it up pretty nice. Let's get it up out of here, whatever it is. I'll wrap it. Alright, we got some cords. I guess this hooks up into the little machine. Make sure there ain't nothing else up in here. Alright. Woo! Woo, man. Put brings chills in my hands to even hold it in my hand. Alright. See? Got the little two plugs on the bottom. The little two sticks so it can stick to the window. I'm gonna test this out in a whole bunch of different ways. You know, it has different modes on there. I will, you know, mess with it a little bit before I start, you know what I'm saying, doing videos on it. Yeah. But man, I mean, this little bitty thing, man. You know how much it costs though? Guess what? It costs $224. So plus good old American tax. Let's see. So alright. Let's see if we can get a little nice little picture of it. You know. Alright, y'all, that's the protocol. So I hope you guys liked the video. And after, like, you know, tons of comments about, you know, what's your XBL, you know, we finally got it here and we finally gonna see. You guys want to, you can throw a number in the comments and guess what number it's gonna be. I don't know. You know, my guess probably would be anywhere from 144 to like 149 or even 150 maybe. Maybe we can hit it. Who knows? But if you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.